Hello and welcome to Search and Management of Scientific Information. My name is Alexis Moreno Pulido and I will be one of your presenters for this course. We are delighted to have you here. This course is designed specifically for PhD students to help you develop essential skills in finding, organizing and using scientific information.
Greetings from me as well. I am Nieves, García, Tejedor, another presenter for this session. Together, our goal is to guide you through the process of effectively searching the scholarly literature, managing the information you find, and evaluating and using that information in an ethical and legal manner. We'll be taking you step by step through these topics in a formal yet engaging way.
Hello, I'm Carolina Corral Trullench, the third presenter. Thank you for joining us. Over the next hour and a half, we will cover 3 core modules that are crucial for any researcher embarking on a PhD journey. This asynchronous session is pre-recorded, so you can watch at your own pace, and it complements additional self-paced materials and video tutorials available to you. We encourage you to take advantage of these resources alongside this presentation.
Let's begin by outlining what you can expect from this course. First, we will start with Module 1, Literature Search, when I will discuss how to conduct effective literature searches. Next, Module 2, Information Management Tools, will be presented by Nieves, focusing on tools and techniques for organizing information and reference geography. Finally, Module 3, Evaluation of Information and Ethical and Legal Use of Information, will be presented by Carolina, covering how to critically evaluate information you find and how to use it responsibly. Each module will last approximately 30 minutes, giving each of us time to delve into details and examples.
The learning objectives for this course are to, first, develop efficient strategies for searching academic literature. 2. Learn to use information management tools to organize and track scholarly sources. And third, strengthen your ability to critically evaluate information and use it ethically and legally in your research. By the end of this session, you should be able to conduct comprehensive literature searches, keep your references and notes well managed, and ensure that you are using information in line with academic integrity standards.
The purpose of this course is not only to teach you how to search, manage, and evaluate information, but also to illustrate why these skills are essential for your success as a researcher. A doctoral thesis requires a strong foundation of existing literature. Knowing how to find the right studies and data will help you to formulate better research questions and avoid duplicating previous work. Managing information effectively will save your time and prevent frustration down the road. For instance, when writing your dissertation or articles, you'll easily retrieve citations and documents. And of course, evaluating sources critically and using them ethically will uphold the quality and integrity of your research.
We will keep our tone formal and academic, but we also want this to be motivating. Pursuing a PhD can be challenging, and mastering these information skills will empower you to work more efficiently and confidently. With that in mind, we invite you to continue with the first module. Nieves and Carolina will join us again later in the session and we transition between modules. Thank you for joining us in this introduction. In the next video, we will begin with Module 1, Literature Search. We look forward to guiding you through it. Thank you very much.